How to add a clickable link in Canva. Hey everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open Canva. After that, simply create a new project. And then after creating the project, what you will have to do is you'll see an option of embed while editing. Wait for the media to load in your design if you are uploading any media also. So after you land in this interface, go all the way to your right and then go to embed. Now select the app or the icon which you want to be in your link. So if it is YouTube, simply select YouTube and then paste the YouTube link here, and then all you have to do is add it to the design. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.